I hope a million people are jealous right now. They should be.
Very nice.
That was amazing.
Very good. Okay.
Oh.
Tell me what specifically is bothering you, like what you want me to address the most.
The most would definitely be the neck hump.
I think you're imagining.
It could be.
So, okay, stand right here. Let me take a step back. You know, some of it, you could get liposuctioned out. Some of it is adipose tissue.
That's what I thought too, because when I was heavier it was bigger, and then I lost weight and I went smaller.
Right, so some of it is that.
Okay.
Now, I can because what happens is I reduce the hump and the fat stays there. And people are like, oh no, and I'm like, well, your spine is straight now, but you still have a collection of fat there that, I'm sorry, you have to get liposuctioned out. So just know that, like, I can reduce that, but I can feel some adipose tissue in there.
Okay.
It's more on the left than the right. Yeah, so some people's genetics just likes to accumulate fat here, and then strangely enough, like here. So it's along those curves, those humps. Okay. Adipose tissue. It's like almost like a callus that people build up. But if you notice, if I relax, this is more prominent. As I correct my posture, it goes straighter. Mm-hmm. So I can reduce it to a certain extent. Just like I said, the adipose tissue.
Right there is hurting like right now consistently, but the lower back, both sides do hurt, but this one is a lot.
A little slower for me. A little slower. In and then out. And then you do it again. And out. You can relax. And it's not there. As side joints are fine. Hold on. I could be up here. Is that real sore? Not too bad?
Yeah.
So when the pelvis is planted on the ground here, cross your arms in front of you for me. If I were to take you back, would that hurt you? Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to kind of flex you, so wrap your arms tighter. And now, does that hurt at all?
It tightens, but it didn't hurt.
And then if I go back a little further.
Right, yeah.
Right there in that spot. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a little bit of lower back. I know it hurts in the pelvis, but it could be referred pain. Because I didn't move your pelvis that time. Mm-hmm. We were doing all the leg fanning, and you're like, I don't feel anything. As soon as I did your low back,
yeah.
So it makes me think it's more low back, lumbar. Mm-hmm. Even though you're feeling it down here, it could be higher up in the chain. Oh, you got a little one up here. Chin back. That's it. Okay. So, I'm going to come in here and correct this right one right here. Mm-hmm. That one's the bad one right there.
Do you want me to do it?
Oh, no,
okay.
You're fine. You just relax. We do everything, okay? Don't you worry. You just flip over and just lay there and relax, okay? Here we go. Chin back for me. Perfect. Oh, she's stuck. Chin up. That's it. Now.
I hope a million people are jealous right now. They should be.
Very nice.
That was amazing.
Very good. Okay.
Oh.
Here we go. Other side. I got you. Right. Oh, that's it. Nice. Perfect. Good job. I'm just gonna relaxing that back in there, okay? There we go. For 10 years of not being adjusted, that was pretty good. You saved them all for me. That's it. All right. I'm going to the side, make sure this side's set. Yeah. Nice. Okay. I'm going to let that drain a little bit. I will come back to it, I promise, okay? But it takes like about 10 minutes for that fluid to come out of there, and then I can go and work on it some more. Okay, I'm gonna pull. Any pain in the low back when I did that? She's stuck. There it is. Gotcha. Any pain in the low back when I do this? Good. Anything here? Okay. Now, I'm going to press right here on the front, and I'm going to manipulate the S, really roll them around. Okay. If it's sore, you let me know. Okay. Anything here?
Oh, that felt weird.
And did that hurt on this side?
No, it went like this.
Okay, that's a little different. And then how about
Oh, yeah, that like makes my inside, like this side tighten. Like everything just kind of like flinches.
Let me open it back up again. I don't want to leave it like that. You know, is it from here?
When you, right here, it made me go like that, yeah. But past it, it was fine.
So, it might be from the surgeries.
It could, you
Like,
should, yeah, I'm like riddled in scars.
It's okay, but I think it could be from, no pain in the back though, just there.
Yeah.
So that's still not lower back. You know what I mean? So okay, she's got some scar tissue in the front.
Yeah.
You probably need to have, because of all of your surgery, they call it Mayan massage, where they go in and they make sure that your organs aren't kind of glued together from the surgeries. Because when they do the surgeries, they really move them around so much, and the body responds with scar tissue. Right. So press out against my arms. Any pain there in the low back? Kind of take some pressure off?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to go the other way. Pop is in the groin area if it needs it, okay? Squeeze. Squeeze my hands inwards. More. Yeah, there it is. Tiny bit there. Yeah, there's a little bit of scar tissue in there.
I guess so.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's going to hurt your low back. Nothing? Okay. Take your head right and left. See how it feels.
Oh my gosh. I feel like a whole new woman.
Okay.
I didn't know my neck could go that far.
You're like an owl.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Houdini.
My kids are in trouble.
How's that?
It feels good.
Ooh, one out there. So mostly on the right-hand side as we go further down. It's interesting. Since up here is all on the left. Okay. You ready for the next round of adjustments? Yeah? Okay. Here we go. Take a deep breath in. Now push. Oh, about 5 of them. Excellent. Breathe, breathe. You okay?
Yes.
It's gonna be like that. We're gonna go lower and lower.
Okay.
Deep breath in again. Ticklish. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, yes.
No,
That was
no, no.
ticklish,
That's
sorry.
okay. I'll do it differently. And again. Good. Okay. I just gotta press harder, sorry. There they go. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, how about if I press from the back?
It's not hurt.
Ooh. Seems like you've been needing this for a while.
Yes.
Like,
When I saw it, I was like, this is an answer to prayers.
oh my goodness. Like, it's just really. No, you mind? I'm just going to
Nope,
lower it
go
down
ahead.
to here. Okay, just to there.
Mm-hmm.
An easy put back in. I'm going to pull. No, these feel good. One little one. Not too bad. Well, we'll just go like this and do the top half, and then we'll go down and do the lower half, okay? Stop me at any moment if it's too much. Both arms behind your back. Let's get under the scapula. Right there. Good. Oh, I'm getting stuck on here. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. That is a huge knot there. It's deep. Cool. There it is. Great job. Now arms, both of them up and over.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's
Oh.
okay. You'll get used to me moving you around. Okay. Now, we're going to do one for the hump, okay? I got to go pretty deep right here. So take a deep breath in. Look up for me a little bit. And on the exhale, here we go. Ooh. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm going pretty deep here. Oh, that was my hip. That doesn't count. Oh, wow. There you go. It's moving. I gotta get in this corner. Okay. That's it. There she is. Oh. Okay. Phew, take a break. This side's fine. Okay. Deep breath in again. And on the exhale, here we go. That's it. Okay. Oh no. Wow, they really cut into you all the way back here, huh?
I have lots of loose skin.
Still, that had to be a journey to heal through that.
It was rough, but it honestly wasn't that bad because
Okay.
I got regular,
Like lymphatic drainage?
Yes, that helped significantly, which is why I didn't take it easy because I was like, I feel great.
That's good to know. That's good feedback. You're brave.
I couldn't imagine adding weight to my chest. I couldn't wait to get rid of it.
Yeah. I think about it every once in a while. But no, I just keep doing my stretches. Yeah, it's on this left side here. Doing okay.
Yeah.
This keeps pulling. So I'm trying to get rid of it. Oh, wow. Okay, gonna open it up again. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, and there it goes. Perfect. Relax. Gonna push up. Open it up. Open up the space. Got a big knot right there too. Well, that could be doing it. Does that hurt real bad when I do this?
It hurts, but not nearly as bad as the lower.
The lower, the
Yeah.
SI joint? Okay. Right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, right here. Hi. Ooh. Can't even stay on. Oh. Sorry for the noises. I'm like, it was buried. Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh man.
Okay, okay. Oh, it's this huge lump here.
It's like pain and tickles. I'm sorry.
No, no, you're okay.
It's a weird combo.
I don't want to hurt you either. No, there's nothing here. No. You can put a tennis ball in here, squeeze that down.
I'm telling my kids the doctor said no.
Yeah, look at that. Ugh. I got you. Okay, and relax. Take a deep breath in. That's it. Good. Oh, relax. You okay?
Yeah.
That's the kind of pressure that you need. Okay. Look at it. This is just kind of the process. It goes away. It's not permanent.
It doesn't hurt nearly as bad as it looks on TV or on TikTok.
I know. Everybody thinks it's so bad. And I'm like, it's not, guys.
No, the elbow is worse.
I know. There's other things that I can do that hurt. Jeez. You're a sadist. I've been called all kinds of things. Woo. Lena's taking a break. She's like, you're gonna be here a while. right. Well, we got that upper back. That looks good. Feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Hurt now, feel better after.
It's just going to get a little warm. Okay, here we go with this side again, okay? Tuck your chin for me. I'm gonna get your neck. Actually, oh, does that hurt? I'm so sorry.
It tickles and hurts. It's a weird.
Okay. How about if I do a tissue pull? A little better? No? All right.
No, I prefer the tickle.
She's like, no.
I bet you that's what a dog feels like when they get their head scratched. It's like I don't know, maybe want to wag my butt.
Okay. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Doing okay? Yeah. She's like, I'm hanging in there.
Yep.
And then we're gonna pull this arm down. Great. Yeah, that's it. Any pain when I do this?
Mm-mm.
Okay, and I'm gonna go segment by segment. Any pain here?
No.
Okay, you're not gonna fall. I've got you. Okay. We just got one. That's fine. Let's go to the other side. This is not an easy move. It's pretty deep. And then back. That's it. When you go back like this, it locks out the low back.
Okay.
So if you ever go to another chiropractor, don't, besides me or Dr. Max, you know, they roll you into a ball and that hits the low back. Mm-hmm. I don't feel comfortable doing that because of what we got here without imaging, okay? Okay, any pain here?
Mm-mm.
There's part of it, excellent. Okay, I'm gonna pull. And no, that's all goes. I'm just checking each facet of the joint, okay? Any pain though?
Mm-mm.
Perfect, that's all goes. Come on up. I'm just holding you to the table. I got a little tiny table. Okay. Come on up, see how that feels.
Much better. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Oh, I can sit up straight, and it's not
Are you sure?
shocking me. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I wasn't able to do that.
Okay. I am going to take you further.
Okay.
Up as straight as you can. I'm going to reach in.
Mm-hmm.
Now elbow into mine, towards the back. Go. More. That's all it goes. No. These are all closed. There's nothing to, well, except for that one. Oh, I should be closing. Oh. Go. More. Oh, that's it. Lean away. Good. Okay. Anything going on up here? You okay? Head feeling okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, the goal is to take the force away from using the low back and change it to up here.
Okay.
And then back. We forgot to show her back. Head back for me. This is what you need to work on. This is the stretch that you need.
Okay.
To the side. Yes, I'm right here. Pull it off like a Band-Aid.
Like that?
Like, just like that.
Perfect.
Come on up, take your time. Oh, okay. Now, you've got some lines in there from the roller.
Mm-hmm. Looks like a good time.
Threw you over the coals there. But yeah. So all of this, you know, it fades.
Yeah.
It doesn't stay. It turns like a little yellowy. I mean, I've got some on my. I think I've got like.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it kind of gets yellow and it starts to kind of like disintegrate over time, like a bruise would.